Hello everyone, my name is Nalubet Miwilasom. You can call me Earth. I am 21 years old. I was born May 19, 2004 in Ayutthaya Province. At the moment, I live in a dormitory in Thanyaburi, Pathum Thani. I study in the Department of Food and Nutrition in the Faculty of Home Economic Technology at Rachamankala University of Technology, Thanyaburi. There are 5 people in my family: my dad, my mother, my older brother, my grandmother, and me. Okay, now I would like to talk about my like and dislike. Okay, I like color and red, black, brown, but I hate pastel color. I love all food. I always eat soju and sticky rice. But I never eat lasagna. And I love cat and dog. Thank you.